Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the chapter of mensuration, exercise number 7.2, problem number 6. The volume of two cones of same base radius are 3600 centimeter cube and 5040 centimeter cube. Find the ratio of heights. So here they have given the volume of two cones having the same base radius means base radius nalu radius nalu one da radius da. Okay. So, but the two cones have the same radius on the equal இருக்கிற two cones ஓட volume they have given and அப்போ radius equal இருக்கும்போது அவங்க volume கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So, அதோட height வந்து என்னவா இருக்கும், அந்த height ஓட ratio எப்படி இருக்கும். So, for this let the radius of the two cones be r. So, same radius அப்படினால we should take only r. Okay. Let the height of the two cones be h1 and h2. Okay, so heights வந்து they don't give height வந்து equal அப்படின்னு கொடுக்கல. So அதனால we should take h1 and h2. Okay, so ratio of their volumes. For this type of question we should take from ratio of volume. So volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r squared h1 is to 1/3 pi r square h2 is equal to, this is volume formula. Okay, so 3600 is to 5040. Okay, so ratio model here we can do the cancelling. 1/3 and 1/3 is cancelled, pi is cancelled, then r squared. இந்த மாதிரி சேமா இருக்கிறதுக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம 1 2 அப்படின்னு எடுக்க கூடாது. சேமா இருந்துச்சுன்னா we should take the particular value. Okay, 1 2 அப்படின்னு நம்ம we should not mention. அதே வந்து height வந்து we want to find out the height வந்து different இல்லையா. So different இருக்கிறதுக்கு மட்டும் நம்ம 1 2 அப்படின்னு ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணணும். Then only we will get the answer. Okay, ரேஷியோனால என்னப்பா divide. Okay, divide இருக்கனால தான் we can do the cancel. Okay, ரேஷியோல இருக்கும்போது எப்படி கேன்சல் பண்றேன் அப்படின்னா ரேஷியோனா என்னமா டிவைட். ஓகே, so here the remaining is, here also we can do the cancel 0 0. After that 360, here we can divide it by 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6 0. Here 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18, 8 2s are 24. After that we can divide it by 4. Then 3 4s are 12, 0. Here 4 4s are 16, 2. Okay, then 10 3s are 30, 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, again 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. So 5:7. Okay. So the remaining what we have here, h1 is to h2 is equal to 5:7. Okay. So ratio of the heights. Is equal to 5:7. Okay, next. Okay, next come to the problem number 7. If the ratio of radii of two spheres is 4:7, find the ratio of their volumes. For this ratio model எல்லாமே what we have done in the previous problem, the same concept. First we should know what they have given. என்னமா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, ratio of radii of two spheres. So here they have given the sphere model problem. Okay, so what they have asked the question, ratio of their volume. So volume of sphere formula here we should know 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, so we should write here let the ratio of their radii is R1 is to R2. So, ratio of their radii, that is R1 is to R2 is equal to what they have given, 4 is to 7. Next, the question is find the ratio of their volumes. So, here we should know ratio of their volumes. நமக்கு ரேஷியோ அதாவது வால்யூமோட ஃபார்முலா இங்கே தெரியணும். ஓகே, ஸ்பியரோட வால்யூம் ஃபார்முலா தட் இஸ் V1 is to V2 is equal to 4/3 pi R1 cube is to 4/3 pi R2 cube because the ratio is different, volume also different. Okay, so என்ன ரேஷியோல இருந்து நம்ம வால்யூம் எடுக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்ல வால்யூம் கொடுத்து நம்ம அதுல இருந்து நம்ம ரேஷியோ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம், ஹைட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ல நம்ம வால்யூம் ரேஷியோல இருந்து ரேஷியோ ஆஃப் ரேடியைல இருந்து நம்ம வால்யூம் கொண்டு வரோம். ஓகே, so here also we can do the cancel. V1 is to V2, here we can't do any cancelling, but here we can do the cancelling, that is 4/3 and 4/3. இஸ்டுனா என்னமா, இஸ்டுனா என்னன்னா இப்போ 4/3 pi R1 cube இஸ்டுனா டிவைட், so 4/3 pi R2 cube. அதனாலதான் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, we can do the cancelling. ரேஷியோனா வந்து டிவைட். ஓகே, so 4/3 cancel. Next pi cancel. Okay, so the R1 and R2 only we can't do the cancelling here. Okay, so V1 is to V2 is equal to, that is R1 cube is to R2 cube. So the ratio they have given, that is the ratio of radii, 4 is to 7. Okay, so 4 cube is to 7 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4 is to 7 into 7 into 7. So 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4 64 is to 343. 7 7s are 49, 49 into 7 343. So ratio of their volumes is equal to 64 is to 343. Okay, next problem number 7. A solid sphere and a solid chemisphere have a equal total surface area. So solid sphere solid chemisphere have equal total surface. Okay, so prove that the ratio of their volume is 3√3 is to 4. Okay, so solid sphere solid chemisphere ஓட total surface area ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும்போது அவங்களோட வால்யூமோட ரேஷியோ வந்து 3√3 is to 4 இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். Okay, so for this question we should write first total surface area of sphere. Is equal to 4 pi R1 square units. Next total surface area of chemisphere. is equal to 3 pi r2 square units. எது ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க, ரேடியஸ் ஈக்குவல் சொன்னாங்கன்னா ரேடியஸ் r அப்படின்னு எடுக்கணும். சரியா? here they have given only the total surface area only equal. ஓகேவா? so these two are only equal. so ratio of total surface area okay, so is equal to total surface area of sphere and chemisphere. So that is 4 pi r1 square is to 3 pi r2 square. Because இது ரெண்டுக்குமே radius different இருக்கலாம், maybe total surface area alone equal. Okay, so these two are equal, isn't it? So we should take is equal to 1, that is 4 pi r1 square divided by 3 pi r2 square. Okay, so in the total surface area of sphere and hemisphere are equal. Okay va? So அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், இந்த ரெண்டுத்தோட total surface area equal to 1 அப்படி எழுதும். Because if we can do the cancelling here, இல்ல cancel பண்ணோம்னா 1 வரணும், அதான் வந்து equal. Okay, so அப்போ equal to 1 அப்படின்னு எடுத்திருக்கோம். Here we can do the cancelling here, pi pi cancel. So next r1 square divided by r2 square is equal to, in the 4 by 3 if that go to the opposite side, that will comes 3 by 4. Okay, so r1 square is to r2 square is equal to 3 is to 4. So the ratio எப்படி இருக்கு, 3 is to 4. so இது வந்து r1 is to r2 means we should do the square root. so square root of 3 is to square root of 4. so ஸ்கொயர்ல இருந்து நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? here if we suppose apply the square root, the root 3 is to root 4, value is 2. so root 3 is to 2. okay, here what is the question they have given? prove that the ratio of the volume. so ratio of the first நம்ம ratio வந்து ratio of radii நம்ம find out பண்ணிட்டோம். next ratio of their volume. okay, for this I already told you, that is here we should write the formula for volume. okay, so 4 pi 3 pi r1 cube is to 2 pi 3 pi r2 cube. okay, so total surface equal இருக்கும்போது ratio of radii வந்து √3 is to √2 இருக்கு. so அதோட வால்யூம் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, நம்ம அதே மாதிரி sphere and chemisphere ஓட வால்யூம் ஃபார்முலா எழுதியிருக்கோம். எழுதிட்டு here also the pi we can do the cancelling. okay, so 3 also we can do the cancelling here. okay, so here the remaining is 4 r1 cube is to 2 r2 cube. okay, so r1 r2 value is √3 is to 2. okay, for √3 is to 2 na 4 into that is √3 cube is to 2 into 2 cube. okay, so is equal to 4 into √3 cube means √3 into √3 into √3. okay, so is to 2 into 2 into 2. so 4 into √3 into √3 3 √3. so 4 into 3 √3 is to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So here we can do the cancelling. Here 1 4 is 4, here 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 3 root 3 is to 4. So the final answer is ratio of their volumes is equal to 3 root 3 is to 4. So hence true. Next, come to the problem number 9. Okay, come to the problem number 9. The outer and inner surface area of a spherical copper shell are 576 pi centimeter square and 324 pi centimeter square respectively. So here they have given the spherical copper shell oda outer and inner surface area. Okay, the sphere அப்படினாலே we have only the radius இல்லையா. இப்போ cone அப்படினா height, slant height, radius எல்லாமே இருக்கும். Sphere, chemisphere அப்படினாலே only there are only radius. Okay, so find the volume of the material required to make the shell. அப்படினா என்னமா, அதாவது volume அப்படின்றது வேணும்னா we need the radius. நமக்கு radius வேணும். So for that only they have given the clue. என்ன க்ளூ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அதாவது இன்னர் அண்ட் அவுட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸ், இன்னர் அவுட்டர் வந்துட்டாலே அது வந்து ஒரு என்னது, ஒரு ஹாலோ ஸ்பியர். ஓகே, so here we should use the hollow sphere formula. சரியா? சோ அதுவுமே நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு, சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியாவா இருக்கு. சரியா? சோ அதுல இருந்து நம்ம ரேடியஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி ரேடியஸ்ல இருந்து we should find out the volume. Okay, so for this question solution: outer surface area of spherical shell is equal to 576 pi centimeter square. Okay, so what is the formula for sphere? Sphere oda outer surface area formula, outer surface அப்படின்றனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், 4 pi capital R square. We should use capital R. Okay, so 576 pi. Okay, so here we should do the cancelling. Pi cancel. Okay, next 4 in the fourth table. 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Okay, so R square is equal to 144. So that is R is equal to square root of 144, that is 12 centimeter. Again the same concept, that is inner surface area of a spherical shell. Sphere க்கு மட்டும் surface area நாலும் total surface area நாலும் same தான். Okay, so 324 pi centimeter square. Okay, so the same inner surface area, that's what here we should write the smaller 4 pi r square is equal to 324 pi. Okay, so that here also we can do the cancelling. Pi cancel, then 1 4 is 4, here 8 4s are 32, 1 4 is 4. Okay, so R1 square is equal to 81. So R2 is equal to square root of 81 is equal to 9. So yeah, R only. Okay. Capital R, small r only we should mention. Okay. So small r is equal to 9 centimeter. So next, volume of the required material is equal to, that is volume of hollow sphere. So the formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi. This is hollow sphere. That's what here we write r cube minus small r cube. Okay, cubic units. So 4 by 3 4 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is, capital R is 12. So 12 cube minus small r is 9. So 9 cube is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 12 cube. The value of 12 cube is 12 into 12 144, 144 into 12 882 144. So 8271. So 1728 minus 999, 9 is 81, 81 into 9 729. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, if we do the subtraction here, 18 minus 9, 9, then 11 minus 2, that is 9, then 16 minus 7, that is 9. Okay. So here we can do the 1 3 is 3, 3, 3, 3. So do the multiplication. 22 into 2, 40, 22 into 4, 84, 88. So 333 into 88. 3 8s are 24. Remaining 2, 3 8s are 24, 26. 3 8s are 24. So 26. Here the same. 2 6 6 4. Okay. 4 0 3 9. Okay. So is equal to 29,304 divided by 7. Do the division here. 29304 divided by 7. 4 7s are 28. 1 1 7 is 7. 6, then 8 7s are 56. 4, then 4, and 6 7s are 42, remaining 2. Okay, so point, so 2, then 0 will comes, 2 7s are 14, remaining 6, 8 7s are 56, so the remaining 4, then 5 sevens are 35. So 4186.285 approximately 4186.29 centimeter cube. So the volume of material required is equal to 4186.29 centimeter cube. Come to the problem number 10. A container open at the top is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower end and upper end are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. So the problem is about a frustum of cone. Okay, the frustum of cone means they are having height and lower end and upper end means that is the inner and outer radius. Okay, find the cost of milk which can completely fill a container at the rate of 40 per liter. The container அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாலே இல்ல அதுக்குள்ள இருக்க அந்த மில்க் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க அதோட இல்லையா அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்துட்டாலே அது வந்து என்னன்னா வால்யூம் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும் சரியா. ஸோ ஃபைண்ட் த காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் அ மில்க் விச் கேன் கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபில் அ கண்டெய்னர். அந்த கண்டெய்னரை ஃபில் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா. அப்போ அந்த ஃபில்லிங் அப்படின்னு வந்துட்டாலே அது வந்து என்னது நம்ம வால்யூம் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி பெர் லிட்டருக்கு 40 rupeesனா நமக்கு எவ்வளோ கியூபிக் யூனிட்ஸ் வருதோ அதுக்கு நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் சரியா. ஸோ த ப்ராப்ளம் height of the frustum is height is equal to 16 centimeter. Next, radius of the upper part. If suppose here you get any confusion, which one is larger, that is outer radius, which one is smaller, that is inner radius. Okay, so upper part, that is capital R, is equal to 20 centimeter. Next, radius of the lower parts, small r is equal to 8 centimeter. Volume of the frustum. Volume of the frustum formula is 1/3 pi h r square plus r square plus rr cubic units. So 1/3 into 22/7 into h is 16. Capital R is 20 square, small r is 8 square plus 20 into 8. Okay, so is equal to 1/3 into 22/7 into 16. So 20 square, that is 400 plus 64 plus 20 into 8, 160. So 1/3 into 22/7 into 16, that is 400 plus 160, 560 plus 64, that is 624. Okay, so here 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16 into 624. So here we can do the count. 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 0, 8 3s are 24. Okay. Afterwards we can't do any cancelling. So we should multiply by 1 by 1. So 22 into 16, 2 6 are 12, remaining 1, 13, 22. So 2, 5, 3, 352. So 352 into 208. 2 6 are 16, remaining 1, 5 6, 5 8s are 40, 41, 3 8s are 24, 28, 0 will come. So next 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7. So 73,216 by 7. Do the division. 73216 divided by 7. 1 7 is 7. Then 0. Here next 3 will comes. So that is the lower number. So here we apply 0. Next 2 will comes here. 32. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 4. Next 1 will comes here. 5 7s are 35. Okay, so the remaining is 6, 66. Next 8 7s are 56, 9 7s are 63. So the remaining 3. Next okay, next point will comes here. Here we apply 0. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 2. Next 0 will comes here. 2 7s are 14. Remaining 6. So 60 will comes. 8 7s are 56. Okay. After the point 3 digits, we can make it 3 digit to 2 digit. Okay. So 10,459.428. So approximately 10,459.43. Okay, 43 centimeter cube. Because the last digit is greater than 5, so we add up 1 to the previous number. Okay. So next, the problem is in the liter, because they have given per liter cost only, so we should convert to centimeter cube to liter. Okay. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay. So 10,459.43 centimeter cube is equal to 10,459.43 divided by 1000. If I divide it by 1000, the point will comes to the nearest 10 after the 3 digit. Okay, to the left hand side. So 10.45943. If we multiply, the point will goes to the right hand side. If we divide, the point will comes to the left hand side. Okay, so 10.45943. Okay, so after the point, we should convert to the, after the point 3 digit is enough. So the we should see the last 2 digit. 4 3 only we have, so we just leave that number. Okay, so 10.459 liters. So cost of the milk, cost of the milk in the container is equal to 10.459 into 40. Okay, if we multiply these two, 10.459 into 4, 9 4s are 36, remaining 3, 20, 23, remaining 2, 4 4s are 16, into 16 plus 2, 18, remaining 1, 4. Okay, so here the point also comes here. So here we are having after the 3 digit, so here also we should put the point to the after 3 digit. Okay, so here 418.36. so cost of the milk is equal to rupees 418.360. 0 is not valuable, so 36. 0 is not valuable here. Okay va? So point க்கு அப்புறம் நமக்கு வந்து லாஸ்ட்ல 0 வரதுனால we should leave that particular 0. Okay, so take down this.